Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm wearing my glasses so I look clever. I don't look clever. I look like a young librarian. I like that, that's fine. We know the skincare industry is pretty much full of its own shit. Like, brands talk up their products so much and they claim to deliver so much and do so much, and they sometimes just fall flat and never really work or deliver. So today I want to share some of the products I actually love because they just do what they say they're gonna do. They actually work, which is a rarity nowadays. Let's just get straight into it. Just these. I want to talk first of all about the Krave Beauty Great Barrier Relief. I feel like I never gave this the attention it deserved on this channel. I've talked about all their other products and praised them so much because Krave is a brand full of products that just do its job, and effectively. This was an absolute lifesaver during my infamous hyaluronic acid irritation period, and actually more recently with some irritation that I had on my skin. It wasn't irritation, it was a full out reaction. So this is a serum that, hence the name, helps with your skin's barrier. It helps repair your barrier when it's been damaged or stressed for any reason, but it also helps even out your skin tone, and in my experience helped a lot with post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation. And it's just so soothing for those times that you really up your skin. This is like instantly soothing. This is a product that introduced me to tamanu oil. I had never heard of it before Leah, you started talking about it, and before it was in this product. So yeah, tamanu oil is not only known for its great healing properties, but is the ingredient within this product that I feel really is what helped with those dark spots. This also contains ceramides and squalane, two ingredients that help restore the skin's barrier. It prevents transepidermal water loss. Our skin can lack ceramides when our skin's damaged, whether that's sun damage or damage from products, so it's nice to give your skin a little bit of a pick-me-up and give these skin mimicking ingredients back to our skin. I love this. It smells a bit not horrible, just like, oh, and then it goes very quickly. This is more of a moisturizer consistency, so when I do use it, it's after my serums, before my moisturizer, and it is usually for me an evening step as I'm very oily in the winter, AM and PM in the summer, mainly PM. Saying that though, it's not heavy, it's not intrusive, sinks in pretty effortlessly to the skin as well. Next up, we have the MISSHA Artemisia Serum and Essence. Oh, well, mainly the serum, but I'll talk about the essence. Similar kind of product as far as the reason I'm using it. I got this because I love how soothing and calming the essence was. I got the mist because I love the essence. I got the serum because I love the mist because I love the essence, you know? There's a cleanser too. This serum just feels soothing, like the moment it hits your skin, and calming. It's like a more watered down gel moisturizer consistency. It's got that kind of like wet jelly feel to it. None of that makes sense. I'm sorry, it's thick. So this is, of course, artemisia. It's a fancy word for mugwort, and it's known for being antifungal, anti-inflammatory. It helps with redness, soothes irritation, as I mentioned, and is an overall good skin barrier healer. And it does legitimately do all of that. This also has glycerin as well, actually, so a good humectant, so it keeps you hydrated. I'm still trying to heal my skin after that irritation that I showed you a few videos back. So I have been stripping my routine right back, but this is in the morning and evening steps of my routine. This is one of like 3 steps I do in the morning when my skin is feeling damaged and needs repairing. I like to strip my skincare routine right back, and my skin, to be honest with you, is very quickly healing. One of those 3 products I've been using in the morning is this Sunday Riley Ice Ceramide Moisturizing Cream. This was actually gifted to me by Cult Beauty. I've never actually chosen to buy Sunday Riley myself because the whole fake review gate kind of put me off a little bit. I'm not sure why, because Sunday Riley are known for their products being amazing, so they didn't need to make these fake reviews because everyone loves their products anyway. I don't know, it was confusing, but obviously, as you can tell by the name, this is a ceramide enriched moisturizer. It also contains vitamin F, coconut, bear with me, we'll talk about that in a bit, beetroot extract, and pomegranate sterols. This arrived at very good time for me, as I mentioned, with that irritation. This is all going to be about my irritation. It's not, I promise. And I will be talking about that product that irritated my skin very soon in a video next week. So this arrived, I saw that it had the word ceramides on it, so I thought, right, I need to get this open and it should help heal my skin. And it really, really did. I was right. Of course, ceramides are essential for our skin's barrier, the moisture barrier. It's kind of like, to put it very simply, like it fills in the gaps and repairs and protects. It had an instant soothing effect on my skin. So you have coconut fruit extract in here. So you don't have coconut oil. So that coconut fruit extract gives this a real, like, nice occlusivity to it. And it's actually not heavy. All these ingredients sound really heavy, but it's nourishing and rich without being greasy and oily. This has beetroot extract in, which I actually know nothing about, so I'm going to read it here. They say beetroot extract addresses short and long-term causes of dehydration for increased skin smoothness and moisturization. And as well as pomegranate sterols, no idea, so quenches the skin with hydration, contain a high concentrate of antioxidants that protect the skin from environmental stresses responsible for premature skin aging. Okay, interesting. I actually know nothing about those two beyond what Google can tell me, so if you know more about that, let me know down below. But yeah, honestly, this has just been really good. I did actually buy the Kate Somerville Delicate Recovery Cream, which I think kind of does the same thing, helps with irritated skin. However, I started using this alongside that new product that irritated my skin, so I need to give this another chance. And I just like the purple packaging. I like purple at the moment. The next product is Glow Recipes Watermelon Glow PHA and BHA Pore-Tight Toner. I've been a little bit obsessed with Glow Recipe again recently. I remember kind of like this time last year, I think I was obsessed with them. Their Banana Souffle Moisturizer that I cracked open a couple months back really did get me back into experimenting and trying their products again. And I actually enjoy the brand as a whole, not just because their products are good and they do a good job, but because it's what I like about skincare, the packaging, the experience, and products that just work well. So this is of course an exfoliating toner. It's very, very gentle though. So you have PHA, which is, put very simply, like a more gentler AHA. The molecule size is bigger, it takes longer to work, so it causes less irritation, potential irritation. The BHA in here is actually willow bark extract and something else, so still quite gentle. One thing I love chemical exfoliators and they are my go-to choice for exfoliating, but one thing I don't like as much is how they leave your skin immediately after usage. They kind of use them like a little bit matte, right? And you have that kind of like after chemical exfoliation shine, not really a glow. So you don't feel dry, but you want to get a moisturizer on. But this is so hydrating and it gives you that glow that a hydrating toner would do while still having those exfoliating properties. So this contains cactus water, which hydrates the skin and helps retain moisture. And it's what gives it that thicker, full fat water kind of look to it. It's really gloopy, but it doesn't feel gloopy on the skin. And that in turn actually feels so good on the skin. Like it does feel like you've got this comforting, like soft layer of hydration over your skin. And what that does make it good for as well is tipping into the palm of your hands, which I don't usually recommend with an exfoliating toner, only because I got AHA in my eye once and I thought I was gonna die. But because of that gloopy texture, it doesn't drip down your face and you can just pat it in very, very gently and it just makes your skin look amazing after. Someone mentioned to me, I think it was an Instagram live, about they don't like Glow Recipe because of the fragrance. There is less than 0.5% fragrance in this product and I believe throughout the rest of their products. And that's something you can tell is that how not diluted the fragrance is, but the smells are barely there. I know they kind of like, this is like a watermelon glow, the banana souffle is banana, then you have like avocado, pineapple. The smells are like really watered down. Obviously that's not how formulation works, but that's what it smells like. It smells like you got pineapple juice and added a liter of water to it, you know? This actually smells like aloe vera. It doesn't smell like watermelon, hang on. Yeah, it's a little bit. It smells like sweet aloe vera, but not in like a sugary way. Oh my god, I can't explain shit, sorry. It smells fresh. Big, big fan of this. Really, really like this. It looks like I haven't used a lot, but I don't really use that much of it. If that makes sense, you just do a few, then pat it around. One of my new favorites is the Milk Makeup Melatonin Overnight Lip Mask. So this has everything you expect from an overnight lip mask. Loads of emollients, shea butter, olive oil, camelina sativa seed oil, but you're not gonna get that sticky kind of like stuck together lip feeling with this. It goes on the skin, on the lips, sorry, so nice and smoothly. It doesn't have that thickness that a lot of like, lip masks have on them. It's nice and soft and just spreads over. You do have some like plant extracts that I'm not bothered about, and this does have lavender in. A lot of nighttime products have lavender in because lavender is meant to be relaxing, all that kind of stuff. I hate the smell of lavender. This isn't overpowering. I can use it. It kind of blends into the background. It doesn't ruin your sleep. You know, like some fragrances can like keep you up all night. And as with most skincare things, the smell disappears after a while. This does have melatonin in, which in the UK, we can't get melatonin tablets like you can in America. So I really want them. Someone send them over. I haven't found much evidence as far as the effects of melatonin applied topically to help you sleep. But melatonin applied topically has been thought to be a good antioxidant and is something that has shown promising anti-aging effects. So it's interesting. I want to know more about it. But as far as moisturizing, nourishing, and keeping my lips moisturized overnight, this is doing an amazing job and is probably, no, it is my newest favoritist lip mask. And that's the thing about this, why this is a product that just does its job, because I got a ton of lip masks that don't do that. I think the CRAVE lip mask is the only lip mask I like that actually locks in that moisture, and I don't wake up with dry lips or like kind of like dry-ish lips, you know? It feels like I've still got a bit of this product on in the morning in a good way. So there we have some products that actually just do their job, which is a lot to ask nowadays. Let me know your favorite products down below, as simple or as fancy as they are. If they just do the job they're supposed to do, let me know what they are and I'll definitely check them out. But that's it from me now, guys. I will see you next time.